So hello guys, we're gonna open something cause my best friend gave it to me, and that's why they are three, cause he made it small and the other ones are big. And yeah, let's do sanitizer first. One sec. There is numbers, so let's open it. Ay, ganun. Nakabukas. So, ayan. Sana makuha kay Legendary.
Bakit yung gato hindi siya pumana? Una nakaliwa ko dito, hindi dito. Tapos ginawa ko dito. Yun nga yun.
One sec. So I ripped the paper, but I got Legendary! I got Legendary. So I will open this at part 2, I guess.
Bigas?
Ano yun?
Bigas?
Bigas? Diyan sa loob.
I will just...
Kain na rin sa kwarto.
One sec. So I got it right here. So if this video didn't get too far, then I will open this. One sec. Oh my God. Oh my God! I got this.
Oo nga, sabi ay nanap ka, sabi ko, nagsabihan.
Number 2. Go pa part 2. Hindi na umabot. Mamaya.
Sige ko.
Hindi na. Bye-bye. Just kidding. Meron pa. Ay, wala na.